Hello, Nexus. Please could you introduce yourselves and your company?
My name is Fred Hiddinga. I'm the general manager of Nexus Netherlands, and I've been working here for 14 years now. And besides me, I have...
I'm Erik Toet. I'm CTO at Nexus Netherlands, and I've been with the company for over 15 years.
We make EHR systems and hospital information systems for the hospitals in the Dutch market, and only for the Dutch market. We also do the same thing for the mental care market. And then we have a smaller application for the food care market. And we are the third player in the market at this stage. And together with Oracle, we are trying to climb the ladder and see if we can get our competitors down. We started with Oracle back many years ago. And with our prior parent company, they had a special deal with Oracle, and we were obliged to work with Oracle. And at this stage, we have a full Oracle pack. And with this pack, we deliver our customers a database, a steady database. And on top of that, we have virtually the Oracle pack, a stack that we use in order to deliver our products and to have our products run at customer sites.
The Oracle is the basis for our products, for our entire product suite. So everything that we store in information-wise is stored in the Oracle database, and Oracle has been our platform for over 20 years.
Could you tell us a little bit more about your cloud journey? Why did you decide to move to cloud?
So for this, you have to look at the two markets as well. So we are looking at, for example, the mental care market, where you have the people who work there are more ambulant, so they would need more off-site apps and stuff like that. So what you dare to see, what you really see in that market, is that the cloud proposition really works there, and they're really asking for it. So you would see that centers are getting more and more specialized, getting smaller, meaning that our older technology doesn't really fit there. So if we would come in with our technology, with our modules or our EHR system, then a huge investment needs to be done at the customer site. And whilst the customers are smaller, that's more difficult to bear the cost. So what we see there, we want to enter the smaller markets as well. So there's no way back. There's only one way forward, and that's a cloud proposition.
And why did you choose Oracle Cloud?
Well, to start with, we looked at multiple vendors and see what the proposition is. And what we already had is a rich history with working with Oracle. And why did we ultimately choose for Oracle? That has to do with a couple of things. One of the things is that Oracle was willing to help us because we did not have any experience with cloud. Oracle was willing to help us migrate to the cloud. Oracle was there. They put a team to Nexus, and together with the Oracle team, we migrated successfully the first mental care customer in 1 year ago. So that was the reason. It was really knowledge helping and helping out.
Oracle was the logical choice. Also, if you look at the services that they provide in with their cloud solution, looking at the database services, they were actually the only cloud provider that could offer that in the way that they do.
If we look at the database, we now have the Oracle Enterprise Edition, which means that we are very rich on functionality there, and we are able to monitor on a very detailed level the working of our system. And that really helps us also to do our managed services in an appropriate way.
How have you actually implemented cloud within your business model and your business?
Well, the first thing that we wanted to do was make that step to the cloud and offer the cloud proposition to our customers. As Fred mentioned before, part of our product suite is still client-server based, so it's really not a cloud-native solution. But with the proposition and the features that are brought by the Oracle Cloud proposition, we made that first step to the cloud. So it was a logical step for us to go there and to actually migrate the existing suite as is towards a cloud proposition.
Looking back, what are the benefits you've actually now realized for your company?
Well, looking at the benefits, I think it makes it far more easy for us to provide the services, because we have one central environment from where we can host our services. So also that's an advantage for all the customers, because we have one practice, one way of managing the entire environment, and so we can duplicate that also easy for other customers and expand our services in that way too. It's also, from a cost perspective, it's interesting, because we offer now services that usually come from the client side, so they have to hire external knowledge to make that services work. And this is something we can offer now in a bundle with the software suite that we have. So in the end, that is a cost reduction for the customer also.
The managed services that we do, and the level of comfort that we provide with the 24/7, with the monitoring tools that Oracle provides, that's really amazing for the customer, and it gives them a solid base for their EHR to run on the Oracle systems and on our systems, of course.
It's the first step to go to the cloud, but it also offers us on a functional level a new possibility. So we can also think about if we can create a mixed environment with on-premise apps and also cloud apps mixed together in one hybrid environment for our customers. So that makes it easier for us to bring a new functionality to the market, make it available on a faster pace than we usually can, just by putting them on the cloud environment. And
now for us, we have the next level. That will mean that we'll migrate our total solution into web-based. And then we have a full cloud service, and then we are able to go to the next level, next markets, next new customers, and stuff like that. Also, what we see now is that existing customers are asking for us to have a cloud proposition, and new customers have it as a knockout criterium in their RFPs. So it's of critical importance that we now build on to the next step, meaning migrate everything to the cloud and to web.
So thank you, Nexus. Thank you for taking us through your cloud journey with Oracle. And we wish you all the very best of luck as regards to your Oracle partnership going forward. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Oracle, for giving us a small podium to your ISV partners. And hope this will be successful for them as well. As successful as for us.
Thanks, Simon.